Hello, my name is Francesco Orru. I'm a freelance digital sculptor working mainly with miniatures for Wargames and board games, as well as product designs that involves 3D printing in the process. Some of the projects that I've worked on have included Dungeons & Dragons, Vampire the Masquerade chapters, Days of the Valkyries and Dragon Ball. In this tutorial you'll learn how to convert a 2D concept art into a 3D miniature using ZBrush for sculpting and KeyShot for rendering. And at the end of the workshop you should have like a solid understanding of the entire workflow for miniatures, and you wanna also be able to see the final prototype and compare it with the 3D sculpt. Hope you'll enjoy the process and thanks for watching.